I need to show you this gigantuum canker sore I have. This is literally ruining my life. I slept for like 5 hours last night and I need something to fill this void of pain that is the canker sore. I want to make something that I've been wanting to make for years. I have had this exact pin pinned on my Pinterest board for years, and it is this beautiful, artistic, colorful, fun pasta. And I don't want to hear anything about the way I say pasta.
I have had it up to here!
And I need some emotional support. Done. Okay, so look, these are the ones that I've saved. So I want to make like a ravioli one, but I also want to make a spaghetti. I do also want to mention before we get started that I did a pasta making class in Italy, and we're going to be using that recipe. So if anybody wants to get at us, this is literally from Italy.
Your 5 hours of sleep is coming through. You're like, if anybody's coming after me.
Don't even try me right now.
She's under attack and everything.
You're right, you're right. So I actually already owned both of these items. This is a pasta like flattening machine. It also can make like the fettuccine. Because I would like to make a ravioli and I also want to make a fettuccine. So this will be for our spaghetti.
Is that small fettuccine? Like, are you saying spaghetti? Like, is that what you're Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Don't ask me why I keep saying stuff like that. I don't know. We filmed this so long ago. I don't even know. I can't even tell you. I can't remember. I think I just thought I was being funny. Also, I'm walking on the treadmill. So we got different items to make different colors of fresh ingredients. So we got red pepper, yellow pepper. Come here, you. You don't even start with me right now.
They're all twisted together.
There you go. Good idea. Purple cabbage, sun-dried tomato. Here you go, because I don't want to handle that.
Okay, sounds good. What I think we should do is cut it, put it in water, and just like smush it and
Yeah, like warm water.
yeah, just a little bit.
And see, I want to cut this open and put it in a lemon squisher and see what happens.
Oh yeah.
These are so like colorful.
Yeah, like this is making a beautiful purple color on the knife.
Okay, interesting. Whoa, that's very purple.
That's really pretty.
Okay, I want to try a different way to extract. Okay, this isn't working.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Does that feel as bad as it is?
You've been splattered.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna give up on my hands being not dyed.
Oh my gosh.
This is funny because I don't like parsley. I feel like this one we're gonna need like an assistance from like a cumin or something.
Does it need food processor it? Can I make it like a...
Yeah.
2 seconds later.
Oh, hey.
The red pepper is actually looking kind of orange. I might get tomato paste to add to a separate one. Color theory is alive and well.
Look at the yellow in the bottom there.
Let's see. Ooh. Ew.
It's a little foamy, but it'll settle.
We don't really have blue, but this one's trying to be navy. And then we have like lots of really good purple options. Now we have to make a bunch of pasta dough. You need 100 grams of 00 flour for 1 medium egg. So 00 flour, this is important. Not exactly sure why. I think it's finer, easier to make pasta. So I'm gonna do 200 for you.
Okay. Oh, it goes on the ground.
On the ground?
On the ground. Don't put it on the ground. That looks like grape flour.
Close enough.
Okay.
This is why all my stuff doesn't turn out. So now you want to dig it out a little. This is what I learned in Italy.
Okay.
Make sure your basin's big enough.
Okay.
You start to basically... Oh, no!
And am I supposed to be incorporating the flour?
Jeez, Mom! Can't you see how busy right now?
Mia, teach me what you know.
Girl, you're doing it! Like, you're doing what I wanted to do! Jeez Louise! Okay, I gotta go in with my hands. Sorry if my station's starting to get really close to yours. I know that's probably really scary to have this hot mess next to you. This should not be, like, seen at all on the internet, but like, I could just put my mixer on it with the kneading hook.
Yeah, definitely.
Couldn't I?
Well, I don't see why you couldn't.
Sounds like I can't.
No, do it, honey.
She's not letting me, guys.
Do it. Why not drag one more thing out? We need a...
There's the truth.
Just joking.
There it is. We're gonna take a break while that kneads, and we're gonna make more dough. So just give me a sec.
A few moments later.
Mia, I think you kept this running over. There you go.
It is a little dry, but we are gonna be adding the colors to it, so hopefully that will make up for it.
Yeah.
So why don't you grab the green?
Okay.
And I'm dying to know what this will look like.
Yes.
Look. Ideally, I would have liked to actually have done this when we added the egg. Bad news, girl. Mine didn't die.
Oh no, you're gonna need it more.
It's really, really, really not it. And it smells bad. Now I'm getting mad. Like, it smells really bad. Mommy, everyone remain calm for just a second.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Oh. This is totally how we have to do it. Just don't look over here. Like, note to self, there's no need to make an orange one. It's like as of right now, we have the rag, we do have a purple, and we do have an orange and a green.
Yeah, maybe we should just keep going.
Keep going with what? Like, it's over.
Let's just do our best, girl.
Girl, I want to give up.
No, no. How much more flour do we have?
We out. This video has gone awry. I need to grab hold of this video. I have rolled out one of our gorgeous pieces. But what we need to do is we need to roll all of the like bland colored ones.
Okay.
So that we can start making designs on them.
Sounds good. There's just not enough liquid in this.
I fear that everyone from Italy is unsubscribing right now. We made it too dry, which I followed my recipe from Italy. Close enough. This is why all my stuff doesn't turn out. Hey, that one's looking all right.
This one's looking great.
Yes! That looks good.
It does.
Okay, now the green, the parsley one.
Okay, just make sure it's able to accept the machine.
Be ready to accept the machine.
On your best behavior, please.
Please accept the machine.
It's interesting, but it's coming.
Okay, okay.
Yummy, yummy dough coming. Well, that's not too bad.
We've definitely done worse things in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have the little ravioli cutter and also these little cookie cutters. And look at this, I've had this forever. It's got all these cute little like flower designs.
It's fun, actually. It just now feels like we're playing with Play-Doh.
Just before I spend too long on this, I just want to make sure this is gonna look like what I want it to look like. Girl, maybe just wait a sec.
Oh, hey, that's pretty though.
I'm gonna make one perfect ravioli, so help me God. I'm gonna see if it will accept mine.
Okay.
I just have a couple flowers, nothing crazy. Let me see if it will accept me.
Please accept her. Oh, hey.
Hold on, because I have one more idea.
Oh, hey, that's a good idea. Make a rainbow.
What I've got cooking up now.
I like that.
Thank you. Like if I could make a little bow tie out of this.
That would be wonderful.
Here's an idea. Just go to the store and buy colored pasta. Save yourself some of this heartache and just don't.
Uh-oh, I see something that's just happened.
Oh, wait. I feel like maybe you should just press down like right on the flour.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh,
No, that you did it.
sorry, Ma. Like, how do people get it looking good? I don't understand it.
Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad.
That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Watch this.
Totally.
Get into
That's
that.
cute.
Wrap your head around that. Y'all said we couldn't do it, but look at that.
Never back down, never what? Never give up!
I like what you're doing over there.
Thank you. Pasta making's fun, but I do believe I've been clenching my teeth a fair bit.
I hear you. Okay, so you're probably wondering, well, first you're wondering what Mom's doing, but second of all, you're wondering what we're gonna have in here. It's gonna be a little bit of truffle, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of ricotta, a little bit of Parmesan, okay? She's just gonna be working on that.
Making some really cool spaghetti.
This video has been completely awry. Like, Martha Stewart would be ashamed of our kitchen right now. Smell this though.
It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this into a piping bag so that it's easier to load these up.
What was that?
They're a little thick.
They'll shrink down.
Guys,
Yeah, when you make a video and half of it is telling people to look away.
look away, guys. That's gonna be our ricotta filling, and I know it looks absolutely disturbing and disgusting, but it's actually gonna be really good.
This is nice. Like, I do think that this is cute.
This is nice. This is so nice. Can I just say that everything going wrong in this has been really nice.
It's been nice spending the time with you.
Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna take the innard and I'm gonna do just a little filling for each. Dare I say I'm really excited about this? How we got here doesn't matter anymore. And bada boo bada bing, no one wants to eat that. Like, yours look really good.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm liking yours a lot.
I like yours a lot.
Thanks for lying.
No, I do.
Look at all these bow ties, look how cute they are.
That's really good.
How far can we go? Go. Keep going, don't give up. Keep going.
Do it. Those are so cute.
And what we're gonna put on the top, you guys, is gonna be kind of like a concoction of butter and sage and lemon. Very fresh, very good. Also a recipe from the people who taught me everything I know about pasta making, so you can trust me. So guys, what we're cooking with right now is we've got some rainbow bow ties. We also have some of these monstrosities hanging here. And we also have some circle raviolis with little spots. And the best ones, flour ravioli. Oh, and it smells delightful. Okay guys, so we've got the water boiling over here. Thank you, welcome to my kitchen. So I've got water boiling and I've got the sauce cooking. Look at that. It's butter and a sage leaf. We're gonna start with the bow ties. And I think we just cook for like a minute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look how cute they look in there.
They do look cute.
Okay, toss it in.
Okay.
Whoa, that looks very fun.
Right?
Okay, raviolis are going in. Oh my gosh, they look amazing.
Right?
Honestly, I'm shook at how well these are staying together. This is the sauce. It's just butter.
Feels so good to sit down.
That was an incredibly trying time.
Oh, look at how cute.
I like the colors, they match the house.
They do.
Because there's still like beets and stuff in it.
That is so good. That simple sauce you made for it is so delicious.
Thank you. I just can't wait for a ravioli.
Let's dig into one of those.
Mmm.
That's so good.
That inside, you guys need to try that. Ricotta, Parmesan, truffle oil, and
Nutmeg.
Oh my gosh. I'm kind of shocked the innards are staying in. And we only destroyed the entire kitchen.
A little creativity.
I have no idea what the purpose of this video was. It doesn't look like the Pinterest photos, but I do kind of fear that we learned a lot.
We did. You know, all the imperfections just scream homemade, handmade.
I think we should do it again though and add the color before we mix the dough.
Yeah, mix the color in with the egg.
If you guys want to see a part 2, let me know.
Mm-hmm.